Jerry.
Here we are 3 months in. I've got a mask printed up with a picture of him and his friend in blackface and a KKK mask, and I said, fine. Starting Friday, we all have to wear masks in Virginia. I said, fine, I'll reluctantly wear it, but only if it's got a picture of Governor Blackface on the mask. So look at my Twitter.
As the Black Lives gaining traction in the wake of the George Floyd murder, Quan McLaurin felt that it was important to post a message of support from Liberty University's social media channels.
Driving over the work site over the fucking speed limit, Chief. Why are you driving over
I'm not driving over the speed limit. I'm doing 55.
My
dash cam will reflect I was doing 55. You got to, are you a cop? Are you a cop?
What is your problem, dude?
Are you a cop?
What is your problem?
I don't have a problem.
Okay, so it's 55 in the work zone.
I was doing 55.
So why did you put your lights on, man? Why did you tell me to fuck off?
Because your bright-ass lights were blinding me.
This is my job site.
You're not a cop.
I'm recording this job site right now to make sure that
recording this conversation.
That's fantastic. I'll tell you what, I got your license plate number. I'm going to go ahead and report you to the sheriff in frickin' Glasscock County.
To the sheriff?
Yeah, this is the sheriff's
ahead.
project. Okay.
Is he going to issue me a citation by proxy?
No, but he'll frickin' look out for you, brother.
Is that right?
That's right.
Excellent.
You like my card?
You making threats? Yeah, give me your card, son.